animals in hell here.
Like, it's freezing.
We're in a blizzard. Part 2 of trying these nasty exotic snacks.
Why are we here again?
Because y'all love part 1. See who goes first. All right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah! Let's go.
Wasabi, we're starting off with a
This
bang.
is the one I didn't want to eat, and we're starting off with it. Let's go. Like a plain damn Lay's chip.
It's good.
We'll try another one. Like a little sting, but it's actually not that bad as expected. Okay. Ow, ow, ow.
Look at her hands, y'all.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Let me catch you. All right, close your eyes.
Oh. What is this? Sweet and spicy fried chicken. Woo! Oh, my hands are frozen. How do you make a... As soon as it hit my tongue, I felt that nastiness.
That was bad.
This one is a no. It's
That's
a no.
negative. That might be. I can't even talk.
Negative. Going to the. I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I was feeling the right.
We got cheese curds.
cheese curds. Oh shit.
What?
Okay. Bruh, that shit tastes like
Old farts. That's what it looks like.
First of all, why are they so small?
Whoa. Whoa. Ugh.
I'm glad it was small. Oh shit.
Rock,
paper, scissors, shoot.
You cannot keep picking that.
I can't even think at this point.
All right, we're gonna do drinks. We're gonna do this one, and this one. This one.
Between these three.
All right,
I'm losing it.
close your eyes. Go ahead. Flavored sparkling drink. Can I smell it?
Ugh.
It smells like our spray candy. It smells like Warhead spray candy, right?
Yeah, you taste it first.
Okay. I'm salivating.
And this was supposed to be clearing our palate. Fuck no.
Doing chips again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Bro, okay, we're doing it over. Because I can't
All right,
keep
let
picking-
me get
It's the cold mind.
Enter JJ. Don't pick paper every time.
Princess, stop doing scissors every time, okay?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I suck at rock, paper, scissors.
No!
Negative 50 aura. What is that? And
A squid, JJ.
Squid Games in a chip. Princess loves fish. Oh, I
Pump me up.
This is the. That'll help.
No. No.
You look like you done came back to life. With
I
that
did.
one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Whoa!
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
My intuition telling me to go here. And spicy, you know. Okay. Bro! Okay, mine got a little seasoning of snow. Ugh.
Ah!
Ah.
Ah!
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 It's hot. My mouth is
You
hot.
gotta do a drink.
I
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Girl, say it.
feel like I ate dog pee.
It's good. You like peach tea, you like that. That's fire. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Let's go.
Back to you.
Fried pork.
Fried pork and a chip.
Yeah. Listen, on my bed. Got my neck in my bag.
Hey.
That blizzard. On my bed.
Hey,
got
my neck and my bag.
Ah! Me.
Wait.
One quarter.
If y'all are wondering why I'm eating so much at once, it's because my taste buds are hella delayed right now. Like, I burnt my mouth yesterday on some pizza, and now my taste buds are delayed, so I have to eat a lot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Let's fucking go. Let's go. Bro.
What is this? Some fish,
Read it.
fried squid eggs with seafood sauce.
Mind you, let me replay the squid that we just ate. This is the eggs. Come on, bro. We can't catch a break.
Oh no, baby.
That shit nasty.
I need a drink.
Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You know what made you cry? My bad.
Choose one in my hand.
Hurry. We got
Baby, matter of fact, we doing these at the same time.
cherry and
and
mango.
mango.
Oh my god. Ew. That shit tastes like medicine, bro. Let me get through this.
You know what?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah.
Roasted cumin lamb skewer. You found us at Q. No,
You lost us
you lost us at Q. You found us at Lamb. Okay.
I was gonna say you lost me at SKU.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, pieces of paper. Not pasta, baby.
No,
Finally.
it is not pasta.
What is it?
That thing say Italian red meat sauce.
Say.
Maybe if I RKO it.
Okay.
Bro.
That's so easy. Do you taste anything?
No, but that's the best one we had.
We gonna end with a bang.
Right.
This one gonna be good.
It is seaweed.
I've been waiting for this one the whole time. Okay. Oh, that shit looks scary.
Oh, that gives me the itchy.
That shit look real scary. Oh no.
That one made me mad.
That one, that they pulled that out the ocean water.
Yeah, that gotta go. Okay, we got brown sugar bubble milk tea. Come on, we got it.
I'm really looking forward to this drink, y'all. Like, I'm glad that we're ending with this.
That shit smell like dirt. You try it first.
This smells like a gingerbread house. I'm really looking forward to this drink, y'all. Like, I'm glad that we're ending with this. What the fuck is that? Beware. I'm pissed. I drank way too much. I had so much confidence in this drink right here. Nothing has ever led me the wrong way in life except for this drink.
On that note, make sure you like, comment,
And subscribe.
make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't right there every time.
We post.
And if you're new to our channel,
Hey.
and if you're not,
Bye.